Hello everyone, in this video we want to sample 5 fractions. Question number 1, we have 210 over 385. In order to simplify fractions with large numbers, we factor the numbers to its prime factorization. Let's factor 210 and also 385 to its prime factors. 210 divided by 2, we get 105. 105 we divide by 3, we get 35. Divide by 5, we get 7. Divide by 7, we get 1. Factor 385 to this prime number. Divide by 5, we get 77. Divide by 7, we get 11. Divide by 11, we get 1. Now, write instead of 210, write these prime numbers. 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 over 5 times 7 times 11. 5 is cancelled with 5 and also 7 is cancelled with 7. We left with 2 times 3 is 6 over 11. The simplest form of the fraction 210 over 385 is 6 over 11. Question number 2, we have 69 over 120. Factor 69 to its prime numbers. Divide by 3, we get 23. 23 is a prime number. 23 divided by 23, we get 1. Also, factor 120 to its prime numbers. Divide by 2, we get 60. Divide by 2 again, we get 30. Divide by 2, we get 15. Now divide by 3, we get 5. Divide by 5, we get 1. Now we can write, instead of 69, we can write 3 times 23. And instead of 120, write these prime numbers. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Cancel the common factors. 3 is cancelled with 3. We left with 23 over 5 times 8 is 40. The answer is 23 over 40. Next question, we have 120 over 192. Factors 120 to its prime numbers. Divide by 2, we get 60. Divide 60 by 2 again, we get 30. Divide by 2, we get 15. Now divide by 3, we get 5. Divide by 5, we get 1. Also, we factor 192 to its prime numbers. Divide by 2, we get 96. Divide by 2, we get 48. Divide 48 by 2, we get 24. Divide 24 by 2, we get 12. Divide 12 by 2, we get 6. Divide 6 by 2, we get 3. And divide by 3, we get 1. Now instead of 120, write these prime numbers. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Instead of 192, write these prime numbers. We have 2 times 2, we have 6 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and times 3. Now 2 is cancelled with 2, we have another 2 and another 2. This 3 is cancelled with this 3. We left with 5 over 8. The answer is 5 over 8. Question number 4, we have 63 over 99. This fraction is not with the bigger numbers or large numbers. We can divide numerator and denominator by 3. 63 divided by 3 is 21. 99 divided by 3 is 33. Divide by 3 again. Divide numerator and denominator by 3. We get 21 divided by 3 is 7. 33 divided by 3 is 11. The answer is 7 over 11. Next question, we have 182 divide or over 294. We can factor 182 and 294 to its prime numbers. (182) divided by 2 is 91. Now we cannot divide by 2 and also we cannot divide by 3 and 5. We can divide by 7. 91 divided by 7 is 13. 13 is a prime number. Divide by 13 we get 1. 294 divided by 2 is 147. Divide by 3 we get 49. Divide by 7 we get 7. Divide by 7 again we get 1. Now we can write, instead of 182, write these prime numbers: 2 times 7 times 13. Instead of 294, write these prime numbers: 2 times 3 times 7 times 7. Cancel the common factors. 7 is cancelled with 7. Cancel 2 with 2. The answer is 13 over 3 times 7 is 21. The answer is 13 over 21. Question number 6, we have 40 over 88. These numbers are not large numbers. We can write 40 as 5 times 8, and also we can write 88 as 11 times 8. The common factor is in here is 8. 8 is cancelled with 8. We left with 5 over 11. Next question, we have 108 over 63. Factor 108 with its prime numbers. 108 divided by 2 is 54. Divide 54 by 2, we get 27. 27 divided by 3, we get 9. Divide by 3 again, we get 3. Divide by 3, we get 1. Factor 63 to its prime factorization. Divide by 3, we get 21. 21 divided by 3, we get 7. Divide by 7, we get 1. Now we can write, instead of 108, write these prime numbers: 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. And instead of 63, write these prime numbers: 3 times 3 times 7. Cancel common factors. Cancel 3 with 3, and also we have another 3 with 3. The answer is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12 over 7. Question number 8. We have 104 over 48. We can factor 104 to its prime numbers. Divide by 2, we get 52. 52 divided by 2, we get 26. 26 divided by 2, we get 13. 13 is the prime number. Divide by 13, we get 1. we can factor 48 to its prime numbers. Divide by 2, we get 24. Divide 24 divided by 2, we get 12. 12 divided by 2, we get 6. 6 divided by 2, we get 3. 3 divided by 3, we get 1. Now we can write, instead of 104, write these prime numbers. 2 times 2 times 2 times 13. And instead of 48, write these prime numbers. 2 times 2 times 2. We have another 2 times 3. Cancel the common factors. This 2 is cancelled with these 2's. We left with 13 over 2 times 3 is 6. 13 over 6. Question number 9. We have 120 over 252. Factor 120 to its prime numbers. 120 divided by 2 is, we get 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 30 divided by 2, we get 15. 15 divided by 3, we get 5. 5 divided by 5, we get 1. And also we can factor 252 to prime numbers. 252 divided by 2, we get 126. Divide by 2, we get 63. 63 divided by 3, we get 21. 21 divided by 3, we get 7. 7 divided by 7, we get 1. Now we can write very easily, instead of 120, write these prime numbers. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Instead of 252, write these prime numbers. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 7. 2 is cancelled with 2. 3 is cancelled with 3. And also we have another 2. 2 is cancelled with 2. We left with 2 times 5 is 10. In denominator we have 3 times 7 is 21. The answer is 10 over 21. Question number 10. We have 168 over 192. We factor 168 to its prime numbers. Divide by 2. 168 divided by 2, we get 84. 84 divided by 2, we get 42. 42 divided by 2, we get 21. 21 divided by 3, we get 7. 7 divided by 7, we get 1. We can factor 192 to this prime factorization. Divide 192 by 2, we get 96. 96 divided by 2, we get 48. 48 divided by 2, we get 16. No, 24. 24 divided by 2, we get 12. 12 divided by 2, we get 6. 6 divided by 2, we get 3. 3 divided by 3, we get 1. Now we can write instead of 168, write these prime numbers. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. Instead of 192, write these prime numbers. We have 6, 2. And also we have 1, 3. 2 is cancelled with 2. And also we have 3. 3 is cancelled with 3. We have another 2 and another 2. The answer is 7 over 8.